was it? Receipt? We're in a storm right now. Whoa, I don't know how fast the winds are going, but we're in Buckeye. And there's a dust storm coming. And we're in the middle of it. I can't even breathe that it's blowing so fast and hard. We're just off the 303 and the I-10 because we saw the dark clouds forming, so we came out here. And the wind is really heavy, and I don't even know what road we're on. We're by Duncan Farms though. The wind is really blowing hard. The dust has seemed to settle a little bit more than it was just a minute ago. And Robin likes wind.
I love wind.
Because this is Arizona, so we don't get very much very often. We're in the middle of nowhere, really. But the wind is pretty heavy, and this is the road that we're on. Just a line of trees going somewhere. Kind of yeah, I knew it would be the end of our lives. So here we are.
We're gonna die.
We're not gonna die.
We're gonna die.
Maybe we should follow it some more. Well, we're going north right now because it came from the south, and it was just really dark. And I'll update everything. Can you say goodbye to your mom and dad because we're gonna die right now?
Bye, mommy, daddy.
We're not gonna die.
I know.
It's just a lot of wind. Ooh, I felt a sprinkle. Here comes another car.
So let's get into the other room.
Alright, so the wind is dying. Oh, I lied. It's starting up again.
Oh, oh.
What'd you do?